So in this lesson we are going to learn about the next type of decision making statement, which is called as the switch statement. So actually this switch statement is called as the multi-alternative, multi-way decision making statement. So this statement is used only when you have more alternatives. अगर आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा alternatives है या फिर multiple choices है और उसमें से अगर आपको एक select करना है, then I will use the switch statement. So of course you can also use the ladder if statement for the same purpose, but instead of writing number of conditions, हर बार आपको बहुत सारी कंडीशन लिखनी होंगी, जितने चॉइसेस है उतनी कंडीशंस आपको इफ स्टेटमेंट में लिखनी होंगी. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग दिस यू विल यूज द रेडीमेड मल्टी ऑल्टरनेटिव डिसीजन मेकिंग स्टेटमेंट विच इज द स्विच स्टेटमेंट. So let us see how this switch statement is written in a program, or what is the syntax of the switch statement. So see how switch is used in the program. So this is about the syntax of switch statement. So firstly a keyword switch is there. After that in bracket there will be the expression. Then after this there will be opening brace which indicates this is the start of the switch statement. Then a keyword is there which is case. So you have to write a keyword. After that value will be there. So value 1 will be there. Then colon, then statement block or number of statements. After that there will be a keyword which is called break. Again for second choice we will be having the second case. So same case keyword is there, another value will be there. So value 2, again number of statement. After that break statement will be there. Next, for next choice again there will be third case and there will be some another value. So suppose it is value 3 and so on, number of statements. After that break, then and so on. So जितनी आपके पास choices है उतनी आपके पास यहाँ पे क्या होंगे, cases. So if you are having 10 choices, then there will be the 10 case values and cases. And lastly a default keyword is there. Again there will be colon, then number of statements and end of the switch statement, which is indicated by the closing brace. So this is the syntax for the switch statement. So this statement is little bit longer, but it is very easy to understand. So see how this statement will work in the program. So firstly, when this switch keyword or this switch statement is encountered by the compiler, firstly this expression will be solved. So this expression must only be either integer or character. So there is a restriction on this expression, that this expression must be either of integer type or of character type. So that means whatever value of this expression will be either integer or character. Then whatever value of this expression will be compared one by one with these values. जो भी यहाँ पे आपकी एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू होंगी वो एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू हर एक केस वैल्यू के साथ मैच होंगी. So these value 1, value 2, value 3, these are called as the case values or these are the case labels. So expression की value, firstly this expression value will be matched with the value 1. So if these two matches, अगर expression की value और value 1 match होते हैं, so if these two are equal, then the number of statement after value 1 will be executed. अगर मैच होते हैं तो if this expression and value 1 matches, the number of statement after value 1 will be executed, and with this break statement control will be transferred out of the switch statement. But if this value don't matches, if this value doesn't match, then same expression value will be matched with the value 2. सो यहाँ पे अगर मैच होता है, इफ दीज टू मैचेस, देन दीज नंबर ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड आफ्टर वैल्यू 2. So whatever statements after value 2 will be executed. Again with the break statement, control will transfer to the end of the switch statement. In this way, value of expression will be matched with case values one by one, and whenever match occurs, जहाँ पे भी मैच ऑकर होता है उसके सामने वाले स्टेटमेंट्स एग्जीक्यूट होंगे. So whenever match occurs, the statement after that case label will be executed and with the break, control will be transferred out of the switch statement. So that means यहाँ पे कौन सा तो भी एक केस लेबल एग्जीक्यूट होगा, यानी कौन सा तो भी एक केस लेबल मैच होगा और अकॉर्डिंगली उसके सामने वाले स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होंगे. बट इफ वैल्यू ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन डजेंट मैचेस विथ एनी वैल्यू, अगर एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू किसी भी वैल्यू के साथ मैच नहीं होती है तो बाय डिफॉल्ट, यानी अगर मैच नहीं होती है तो डिफॉल्ट ब्लॉक विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द डिफॉल्ट ब्लॉक. Default block will contain the number of statements. So if no value matches with the expression, then the statement after this default will be executed and control will be outside the switch statement. So this is the execution of a switch statement. So let us see one example to understand this switch statement correctly. So let us write the simple program for illustration of the switch statement. So here in this program, a user will input a month number and accordingly computer will display the month name. So just like suppose user enters the month number as 5, then month name, that is May, should be displayed. So if user enters value 1, then accordingly January will be displayed. So here in this program actually we are having the 12 choices, because user can enter the number from month number from 1 to 12. So therefore according to the 12 choices, one of the choice should be selected. So therefore here we will use the switch statement because we are having the 12 alternatives. So instead of writing the 12 times condition using if statement, so switch statement can better write that program. So let us write the program. So firstly I will be requiring a variable to store the month number. So for that I declare a variable integer. So firstly I will print the message for the user to input the month number. Then I'll input using the scanf function. So now according to the value of month, I have to display the month number. So for that I am here switching the value of MON, that is the month number, because I want to print according to the value of MON. So this switch can be said in another form like according to the value of. So this according to the value of MON, and now I will be writing the different case values. So firstly if the value of MON is 1, so case 1 is here. So if value of MON is equals to 1, then I should display the value January, the string January. So here I am writing printf January and after that break. So similarly other case values will be there. For case 2, that means if month equals to 2, so for month equals to 2 I should print the value as February. And similarly for the other month numbers. So here I am copying this case values. So 1, 2, so 1, 2, then here value 3. For value 3 I should print the value as March. For 4, so now I have written all the case values now. And lastly, if the user enters the value except values 1 to 12. Then what? So for that we have to write the default block. So if any value of mon doesn't matches, value of mon doesn't matches with all the cases, then the default block will be executed, and here I will be printing the message like invalid month number, and this closing brace indicates the end of the switch statement. So this is all about the simple program. So now let us run the program and see the output. So the error occurs now. Here scanf m. So here there should be mon. Okay. So see, a message enter month number is displayed. So suppose I enter the value 6. So this 6 will be stored in value mon, variable mon. So according to this switch mon, so now mon value is 6. So 6 will be firstly matched with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, after that 5 and then 6. So here value of mon is equals to 6. So here the two values matches, mon and this value matches. So hence next statement after this 6 will be executed. So that means June will be displayed. So let us see the output. So see here. So June will be the output. So let us run the program again and give another input. So suppose I enter the value 1. So now mon contains value 1, and this 1 here mon is 1, and this value first value is also 1. So 1 is equals to 1. So first condition itself is true. So therefore January will be displayed here. So see here. So this is the output. So I have spelled it as GABU by mistake. So hence computer will do it like that only. But if I give the value except the values 1 to 12, suppose I enter the value 80. So 80, so this mon value is 80 now, so 80 will be matched with 1, then 2, then 3, 4 and so on. So no value matches, so therefore default block will be executed, and in the default block we are having the message as invalid month number. So see here. So in the default block we are having the invalid month number. So that message is displayed here. So this is the working of the switch statement, and you must know that these case values need not to be in the number, in serial number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So you can give any value, but according to this value you have to print the message. So suppose here I write case 5, okay, it's okay, but if mon equals to 5, so according to mon equals to 5 we should print the message. So if this case 5 is here, then there should be printf me. सो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपके जो नंबर्स है वो सीरियली ही होने चाहिए, नंबर ही नहीं, कभी कभी कैरेक्टर्स भी हो सकते हैं, आइदर देयर कैन बी इंटीजर वैल्यू और द कैरेक्टर वैल्यू. सो लेकिन ये नंबर आप किसी भी ऑर्डर में दे सकते हो, लेकिन नेक्स्ट वाला स्टेटमेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू ही होना चाहिए. सेम प्रोग्राम आई कैन डू विथ इफ ऑल्सो. So instead of this switch statement I will be requiring the 12 if statement for the same program. if से भी काम बन सकता था. सो हम कैसे लिखते थे, if mon equals to 1 printf January, if mon equals to 2 printf February, if mon equals to 3 then printf March and so on. ठीक है. सो इतनी सारी कंडीशन लिखने के बजाय यूजिंग स्विच स्टेटमेंट वही काम आप बहुत इजीली कर सकते हो. So this is about the switch statement and how it works. So this is all for now. In the next lesson we will be coming up with new learnings. Thank you.